Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Alma Metal Detector. If you're looking for a best metal detector for coins and gold, then this is our number one choice for you. The presets bode well what may have been identified, and the pinpoint include has pretty exact profundity insight. It is weatherproof, so in the event that you get trapped in a shower, dread not, the unit will officer on. Alma Metal Finder with full adornments, and we prepared the shading bundle box. You can send it for your children. It is no battery powered. The marker light on the LCD screen will become red if in a low battery, remind you to change the battery. There are 2 times 9 volts battery included when you bought the identifier. In the event that you thought that it was boisterous when you chase treasures, don't stress, the Metal Finder outfitted with an earphone which permits you could focus on your identifying and never miss any successful demonstrate. Our second best metal detector for metal and coins is Fisher F22 Weatherproof Metal Detector. This is an extremely decent unit, lightweight, incredible for novices and simple to work and keep up. The F22 is a completely weatherproof, simple to utilize turn on and go metal identifier. It has super fast retune speed with fantastic objective detachment and simple to utilize discrimination, sensitivity, notch and pinpoint highlights. Phaeton flexible iron sound permits you to set the volume of ferrous targets lower than the volume of non-ferrous focuses for expanded clearness on alluring targets. Effectively recognize covered focuses with the 9 segment target categories and a 0 to 99 numeric target ID improved with 4-tone audio ID system. Uniquely designed to permit clients to establish their own vibes. For details, let's watch more.
Detector from Fisher Research Labs, leading innovators in metal detection technology since 1931. The F22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit 1 of 4 tones, illuminate 1 of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof search coil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on and go treasure hunting modes. The F22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F22, built Fisher tough.
I've been using Fisher for 40 years and they've never let me down.
Third in our list is Hunter TK4 Metal Detector. I got it as a present for my dad to utilize while he was in a seashore house in Florida for the colder time of year. While visiting, we utilized it a lot and really discovered a great deal of metal. Extend significance of acknowledgement with the power or affectability control. Crash grievous concentrations with the isolation control. Quickly switch between discrimination, all metal and tone modes with a flick of the mode flip. The Tracker 4 will recognize a wide scope of metal from iron relics, coins and family things to significant metals like silver and gold. The 8-inch search coil is thoroughly can be used for recognizing in shallow water. Recommended for coin and diamonds pursuing, relic pursuing, prospecting and utility applications. Lofty partition equipment, easy-to-use advancement and showed fortune execution has made the Tracker 4 the choice for some fortune trackers. For details, let's watch more.
The Tracker 4 from Bounty Hunt, a professional quality metal detector with an entry-level price tag. A comfortable and easy-to-use metal detector for adults and kids alike. Find valuable buried metal objects like coins, historical artifacts, and gold and silver almost anywhere, even your own backyard. But the adventure doesn't stop there. The 8-inch waterproof search coil is perfect for treasure hunting at the beach. The discrimination control eliminates detection of iron and most unwanted targets, while the sensitivity control maximizes depth detection. Small objects, like coins, can be detected up to 8 inches deep. Larger targets can be detected much deeper. The Tracker 4 operates on 2 9-volt batteries and comes with an easy-to-understand user's manual. Bounty Hunter Tracker 4. What will you find?
Number 4 in our best metal detector for gold and coins list is Metal Detector. The metal detector permits length change in accordance with offer the best tallness. Flexible stem stretches out from 43.3 inch to 60.0 inch. Grown-ups and children would all be able to appreciate metal distinguishing venture with metal identifier. The ergonomic cushioned armrest and movable arm lash cooperate for agreeable and consistent identifying, making long-time treasure looking through substantially less hard. A wizardry tape conclusion is exceptionally customizable for various hands. Huge shading LCD show permits you to get the discovery elements whenever. It's helpful to get the type of metal objective, force of objective, acknowledgement, effectability stage, working mode and battery sign. What's more, we likewise accompany earphones to limit any input commotion from underground minerals. Our last pick is Neewer Macro waterproof metal detector. It was astonishing to discover a best-in-class metal finder in this value range. Basically unrivaled, the main waterproof indicator available, contribution outrageous profundity and very good quality highlights at a section level cost. Straightforward enough for fledglings, yet great enough for specialists. It flaunts preset inquiry modes, including a seashore mode, in a simple to utilize, single menu plan. Regardless of whether you are looking for coins, curios or gems ashore or submerged.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!